Located in Washington, D.C., the White House is the workplace and residence of the President of the United States. The building, whose cornerstone was laid in 1792, was designed by the Irish-born as architect James Hoban. John and Abigail Adams were the first presidential couple to live in the White House when they took up residence there in 1800. The current name of the building, originating from the whitewash used on its outer walls, was officially adopted in 1901 when Theodore Roosevelt was president. Over the last 2 centuries, the building has been restored and expanded on several occasions. The last change took place during Harry S. Truman's presidency. Built in the neoclassical style, the White House consists of 3 main parts: the executive residence, the West Wing, and the East Wing. A symbol of the United States and the nation's capital, the White House has witnessed a great many key events and important decisions. Since 1800, the mission of the White House has remained unchanged: to provide uninterrupted service for the American people. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.